Hi, this is the English Adventure Podcast.
Relax and enjoy learning English. Hi, everyone. I'm really happy you're here again.
Me too. And today we're continuing our beginner grammar series.
Last time, we talked about the simple present.
Daily routines, habits, things you usually do.
But today, we're talking about something happening right now.
The present continuous.
And don't worry, we'll keep it simple.
Very simple.
Let's start with something easy. Jack, what are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm talking to you.
Good, and I'm listening.
You're also speaking.
True, I'm speaking and smiling.
All of those sentences use the present continuous.
Yes, we use it for actions happening now.
Let's say it clearly.
The structure is am, is, or are, plus the verb with ing.
For example, I am talking.
You are listening.
He is working.
They are studying.
So the formula is very clear.
Subject plus am, is, or are, plus verb plus ing.
That's it.
Let's compare something quickly.
Okay.
If I say, I work in an office, that's simple present.
That's general. That's always true.
But if I say, I'm working at my desk, that's happening now.
Right now, in this moment.
That's the key difference.
Now let's imagine a scene.
We're in an office.
It's 10 a.m.
People are typing.
Someone is talking on the phone.
A colleague is drinking coffee.
The printer is making strange noises.
Everything is happening now.
Listen to the verbs.
Typing,
Talking,
drinking,
making,
all of them end in ing.
because the actions are happening right now.
Let's practice together.
Imagine you're sitting somewhere,
Maybe on a bus.
maybe at home.
What are you doing?
Are you listening to this podcast?
Are you walking?
Are you drinking coffee?
You can answer in your head.
I'm walking.
I'm sitting.
I'm studying English.
Very good.
Now let's talk about spelling for a moment.
Yes, because sometimes the verb changes a little.
For most verbs, we just add ing.
Work to working.
Talk to talking.
Read to reading.
But sometimes we drop the e.
Like make to making.
Write to writing.
And sometimes we double the last letter.
Run to running.
Sit to sitting.
But don't worry too much.
The most important thing is understanding when to use it.
Now let's move to another situation.
A cafe.
I like this situation already.
You're sitting in a cafe.
The barista's making coffee.
People are chatting.
Someone is working on a laptop.
A couple is laughing.
You are waiting for your order.
All of these are actions happening now.
So we use present continuous.
Let's act it out.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for my coffee.
What is the barista doing?
She's making a cappuccino.
What are those two people doing?
They're talking and laughing.
Very natural.
Now let's add one more detail.
Okay.
The present continuous can also describe temporary situations.
For example?
I'm working in Berlin this month.
That's not forever.
Exactly, it's temporary.
I'm staying with a friend this week.
Also temporary.
So not only right now,
But around now.
that's important.
Let's pause for a second.
Okay.
Right now, you're learning something new.
You're listening carefully.
You're building your grammar step by step.
And you're doing great.
Let's keep going a little deeper.
All right. Let's make this more real.
More real?
Yes, less theory, more life.
I like that.
Let's go back to the office.
Okay.
It's 2 p.m. What is happening?
I'm answering emails.
And I'm working on a report.
Our colleague is talking on the phone.
Someone is eating a late lunch.
The manager's walking around.
Notice something important.
All actions are happening now.
Exactly.
Let's make it a dialogue.
What are you doing right now?
I'm preparing a presentation.
Are you working on it alone?
No, I'm working with Sarah.
Is she helping you?
Yes, she's checking the slides.
Good. Now we used a question.
Yes, let's explain that clearly.
To make a question in present continuous, we change the order.
We start with am, is, or are,
Then the subject.
then the verb with ing.
For example, are you working?
Is she helping?
Are they studying?
Very simple structure.
Now let's move to a cafe again,
We really like cafes.
because many things are happening there.
You're sitting at a table.
You're drinking coffee.
You're reading a book.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh no.
You answer it.
Now we have a phone conversation.
Let's practice.
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm sitting in a cafe.
Are you working?
No, I'm taking a break.
Nice. I'm driving home right now.
Be careful.
I am.
Now let's pause.
Okay.
Why did we say, I'm driving home right now?
Because it's happening in this moment.
Exactly.
The words right now often go with present continuous.
Also, at the moment.
For example, I'm studying at the moment.
Good phrase.
Now let's add something interesting.
Oh?
We can also use present continuous for future plans.
Yes, that's very important.
For example, I'm meeting a friend tonight,
That is future.
but it is already planned.
That's the key. It's arranged.
Let's practice that.
What are you doing tonight?
I'm meeting my sister.
Are you going out?
Yes, we're having dinner.
Very natural English.
We often use present continuous for plans with a time word.
Tonight.
Tomorrow.
This weekend.
Next week.
For example, I'm traveling next week.
Or we're visiting our parents on Sunday.
It sounds very natural.
And native speakers use it all the time.
Now, let's compare again.
Okay?
If I say, I work tomorrow, that sounds strange.
Yes, not natural.
But if I say, I'm working tomorrow, that sounds correct.
Because it's planned.
Exactly.
Let's create a small evening scene.
I like scenes.
It's 6 p.m.
You're cooking dinner.
You're listening to music.
Your friend is texting you.
She's asking, are you coming tonight?
You answer, yes, I'm coming at 8.
Or maybe, sorry, I'm staying home tonight.
Both are present continuous.
Now let's add a negative sentence.
Good idea.
To make a negative, we add not.
I'm not working today.
She isn't coming.
They aren't studying.
Very clear structure.
So now we have statements
Questions,
and negatives.
all with the same pattern.
Am, is, are plus verb plus ing.
Simple.
Let's do one quick check.
Okay,
Right now, what are you doing?
I'm recording a podcast.
And what are our listeners doing?
They're listening.
And maybe smiling.
Hopefully.
Let's take it one step further.
All right, let's make this even more practical.
I'm ready.
Let's imagine one full day.
A full day using present continuous.
Yes, but only the parts that are happening right now or are already planned.
Perfect.
It's Saturday morning.
You're waking up.
You're stretching.
You're checking your phone.
Your friend is texting you.
She's asking, are you coming to the market today?
You answer, yes, I'm coming at 10.
Notice something important,
That's a future plan
but we use present continuous.
because it's arranged.
Good.
Now it's 10 o'clock.
You're walking through the market.
People are selling fruit.
Children are running.
Someone is playing music.
You're talking to your friend.
You're looking at vegetables.
Everything is alive.
And everything is happening now.
That's why we use present continuous.
Now let's pause for a small grammar check.
Okay.
If I say I walk through the market, what does that mean?
It sounds general, like a habit.
Exactly.
But if you say, I'm walking through the market,
It's happening right now.
that difference is very important.
Let's create a small mistake.
On purpose?
Yes,
All right.
I am go to the market.
Something is wrong.
Yes, what's missing?
The verb needs ing.
Correct.
So we say, I am going to the market.
Good.
Another mistake.
I going to the market.
Now we're missing something else.
Yes, we need am.
So the full structure is always important.
Am is are plus verb plus ing.
Never forget the helper verb.
Now let's move to the afternoon.
It's 3 p.m.
You're sitting at home.
You're watching a series.
Your neighbor is playing loud music.
You're thinking about your evening plans.
You're meeting friends at 8.
You're wearing something comfortable.
Notice how natural that sounds.
I'm meeting friends at 8.
That's future, but arranged.
Now let's compare again.
Okay,
I meet friends at 8.
that sounds strange.
Yes, not natural for a plan.
Present continuous sounds much better.
Now let's build confidence.
Good idea.
Imagine someone asks you, "What are you doing this weekend?"
You can answer, I'm visiting my parents.
Or, "I'm staying home."
Or I'm traveling.
Short and clear.
You don't need long sentences.
Simple grammar can sound very natural.
Let's add a quick listening moment.
Okay.
Listen carefully.
I'm sitting in a cafe. People are talking. The barista is making coffee. A man is reading a newspaper. A woman is working on her laptop.
Did you hear all the ing forms?
Sitting,
Talking,
making,
reading.
working.
That rhythm is very typical for present continuous.
Now let's slow down for one final explanation.
Okay,
When do we use present continuous?
for actions happening right now.
For temporary situations.
And for planned future arrangements,
What is the structure?
am is /r plus verb plus ing.
How do we make questions?
Am is r plus subject plus verb plus ing.
And negatives?
Add not.
Very clear.
Right now, you're understanding more than before.
You're building your grammar step by step.
You're practicing.
And you're improving.
That's the important part.
Grammar doesn't need to feel heavy.
It can feel alive,
Like the office scene.
like the cafe.
Like your weekend plans.
Next time you hear someone say, I'm working,
You'll know exactly why.
and you'll know how to use it.
Keep noticing what people are doing.
Keep describing what is happening around you.
Even now,
What are you doing?
you're listening.
Maybe you're smiling.
Maybe you're repeating sentences quietly.
That's perfect practice.
We'll continue building your grammar step by step in this series.
1/10 at a time.
And always in a simple way.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Take care. Thanks so much for spending time with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode and learned something new without even noticing it.
If you like the English Adventure podcast, make sure to follow us and listen to more episodes.
And remember,
You don't need to be